Hey guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang. And I know it's been a hot minute since we've done a review, but I am back in some random hotel room that I think that might even be, no, I thought it was the toilet paper. It's just a towel. Okay, we're safe. We're going to walk through a company that is helping all of us be able to study and pass our personal training certification. Okay, so a quick disclosure. I had a company, IPTA specifically, reach out to me because they have study materials specifically to this test and said, can we just give you a copy of it and you go through it, review it, and give us your honest take? And my promise is to you that I'm always going to do something very brutally honest and walk through what my thoughts are as coming at you as a really busy mom who doesn't have time to spend hours studying something to then go take a test that I may or may not pass. So this is going to be my first week of opening up the program, walking through what I liked, where I was like, oh my goodness, I don't know about this. And then really just kind of give you, well, I'll do some footage back here so you can actually see what it is, just to see if it's something that you would be interested in doing also. Because I do think studying for this test is going to be something that takes me more than 30 days. This is just going to be like the first video of probably a series, but this is going to journey what my first week looks like with IPTA. So at first, is this doable? And after week one, I'm going to say yes. I do think it's doable. I say that hesitantly. It's not going to be effortless. It's not magic. It's not going to be one of those things that by osmosis that, you know, your bones and your muscles and your nervous system is just going to automatically like flow into your brain. This is old school. I have gotten the notebooks out, handwriting some notes, but it does give you, like, it breaks it down into bite-sized pieces as it's going through each of the chapters and the study guides, that I do feel like this is something that is very doable in a time period that's, realistic. So, my brain, we're not going to get this done in 30 days, but I do think if you set a goal of, I want to be able to study and pass this test over a period of a couple months, very doable. So at this point, one weekend, I have completed chapters 1 through 5. And what I really mean by that, I have gone in, I have read the manual, I have reviewed the study guide, I've listened to the audio, which is amazing because you have the ability to read it and then also listen to an audio. So you're doing things around the house while you're listening to that piece of it. It has flashcards and then it has a test. And that part I love because then I can make sure that some of this is actually being retained or sticking in my brain. I will say that this first part, at least chapters 1 through 5, is really dense with human anatomy and physiology. And I had a chuckle about this because I've had a couple human anatomy classes in my career and I'm like, oh, this is going to be easy, but man, the amount of things that you forget, and I am relearning. So my goal this week was to spend about an hour or less a day working on a chapter, right? So chapters 1 through 5 each day, you get what I'm saying. So I didn't have time to sit down and give it 5 hours all in one marathon study session. And so that is where I'm taking this and doing it. It was very doable to be able to take each chapter, write out my notes, and be able to chip away. I'm going to show you a little bit kind of behind the scenes so you can see what this looks like. But I will say having that study guide and having those test questions and the flashcards and mnemonics, they do a really good job of helping you memorize certain things in a certain order with really fun and funky different mnemonics. I really like having all these options because I feel like every one of us studies and learns in a different manner. And so they have given really anybody multiple options to pick what you like best. Like I said before, I am old school. So went to Amazon, I got myself a binder, I got me some college roll paper and some funky pens, and officially started doing exactly like what I did back in my college days of handwriting out my notes, colorful pens, and a highlighter. At the end of the day, the material was in very manageable chunks. And I will say, if you're a busy mom, you're a busy lady, this is very much an option to be able to go through and look at it and put it into pieces that make it manageable each day. Now let's talk about where I struggled a little bit. And I want to be fair because some of this was first week onboarding stuff, like just trying to get familiar, and it's not necessarily the content itself. When I first logged in, I was a little unsure of where to start. The platform has several options, right? It has your textbook, your study guide, your flashcards, your practice questions, and other tools, which is great. But my brain immediately wanted like this big friendly button that was like, start here, tired human. I wanted a clear roadmap at the beginning, something like step 1, read the textbook chapter. So I immediately reached out to IPTA and was like, okay, team, I need help. And they were so sweet because literally on the first page, it does give you a breakdown of where to start and how long you want to study for. So if you think that you want to get through the course in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or so on and so forth, it literally has a checklist to go and look. So Thank you, IPTA, for letting me write an email to you and for you to write back to me to say, in a very nice way, you're silly, put your glasses on. It's right up front. I will say, though, they were immediate in their response, and that's always really nice, especially when you're just stuck, that you can send out the flag that says, hey, I need help, and somebody immediately responds to you. So what I've heard back is that, yes, the IPTA Certified Personal Training, to go at the end of it, it is a proctored exam that you do schedule at one of the third-party offsite places. Quick update, my friends. I was wrong. It's not just at a testing center. They're actually brought up to the new age, and you can do a proctored exam from your home. So the next little bit is things to think about if you have to go to a proctored center, but there's also the choice to do it from your house. And if you've never been there, just be prepared. They make you lift up your sleeves and make sure you haven't written any notes on your arms, which I guess people do that. Their team also shared with me that the exam is approximately 3 hours long, and you can expect 135 total questions. Roughly, that's breaking down to 110 of those are scored and 25 are unscored. I was also told that anybody who's going to take this exam does need to be at least 18 years old. They have to have a high school diploma or a GED and hold a valid CPR AED certification. At the end of the day, I do feel like this is a really good study guide if you are someone who can independently, self-sufficient, put a schedule together to go and study. This is also something that's really great if you're just a busy person and you're trying to squeeze in a little bit at a time versus going and sitting into a classroom. I think it also is extremely helpful for people if you get overwhelmed by these giant textbooks, these human anatomy books that are this big, and it really does a great job of breaking that material down into those smaller, more focused pieces. Where I do think that someone may struggle is if you need a lot of hand holding or someone to hold you accountable or live instruction, or just because at least what I've seen so far, this feels very much like a self-paced study system than a live classroom or a specific coaching program. So if you know that you're a person that already needs to have that live interaction, instructor feedback, weekly live calls, or in a group of people, you may want to look closely at what level of support is included in deciding and if this does meet your learning needs. So for me, my biggest piece is that I need flexibility, and this setup works perfectly for that. Okay, so that's what I think about week 1. That was me rambling on for however long this video is going to be. But at the end of the day, I don't know, stick forward for part 2, and hopefully I come back for part 2 and you're not like, well, she just disappeared off the planet after she did week 1. No, we're going to do this, and we're going to do it together. Who's already signed up to take their certified personal training test? And the bigger question is what are you going to do when you pass it? Go be awesome.